Hello, this is Jochen Gute from ecm4u, and I would like to show how to use our extension ecm4u permissions for more efficient management of permissions in Alfresco. I think everyone who is working with Alfresco knows the situation. You create more and more directories, and at the same time the structures of roles and permissions of users and groups becomes more and more complex, especially when we consider the inheritance of permissions in Alfresco. The result is that I'm often unsure about the permissions that users have on certain directories. Now let's have a look at Alfresco. Here is a simple directory. When I want to view the permissions for a certain folder, I can go to this list, and here I get the permissions that are set locally, and here I get the inherited permissions. What I don't see here is where these permissions were inherited from, and this is where our module comes into play. You can reach ecm4u permissions here in this menu. Just click on Permission Check, and you will see a list of user and groups that have certain permissions and roles. Bold permissions are set directly, and italic permissions indicate that they are inherited from a parent directory, and it's also you also get information where this inheritance comes from. With a click I can navigate to the permission management of this space. But it also happens quite often that I just want to find out which permission a certain user has in a certain space. That is why we have provided a quick access check here. Here I can choose a certain permission, say editor. Here I enter a username, and I see that this user is not allowed to edit content here, but he's allowed to read. In the next video I will present how to export, edit and import directories from Alfresco with our module.